Welcome, dear students. Uh, I'm dealing with the topic seed certification. I'm continuing it in one by one videos. So now I'll be dealing objective of seed certification. To ensure genuineness and quality of seed to purchaser. If seed is certified, means purchaser has the faith, the quality of the seed and the genuineness of the seed is there if it is certified. So this is the objective of the seed certification. Now you come to the concept of seed certification at international level, which must be considered by all the countries having the seed certification system. So you see, Association of Official Seed Certification Agency, AOSCA, specified the following fundamental concept of seed certification in the year 1919. First, pedigree of all crops must be clear. Means whatever varieties of whatever crops you are dealing with for seed certification, its pedigree must be there. The integrity of certified seed growers must be recognized. Whosoever is the seed grower, his integrity must be recognized first. You must ensure his integrity, then only you should approve his application for seed production. Then field inspection must be made by qualified inspectors. Nobody else should go. Particularly plant breeders should be involved. Plant breeders, I mean the person who has degree in plant improvement must be involved in seed certification. Must go for inspection for the seed certification. Verification trials to establish identification and usefulness of varieties or strains must be conducted. This is also there. Many of the countries are not practically doing this, but this, as per the international guideline, seed certification agency must do this also. The verification trial at his field, at his research field, to ensure the identity of the varieties. There should be standards established for purity and germination. There must be a common standard for testing the genetic purity as well as germination throughout the world. The principle of sealing seeds to protect the interest of both growers and purchasers must be approved. There must be sealing, proper sealing of the seeds must be there, so that you can assure, you can fulfill the interest of growers and purchasers both. Species of foreign weeds which would be included within the meaning of noxious weeds must be defined. Yes, there are lot of weeds which are coming under noxious definition. So wherever, in whichever crop, the noxious weeds are there, they must be defined properly that these are the noxious weeds. You should not approve the seed lot as the quality seed when these noxious weeds are available in the seed. So you must define each and every species of the weed seed in your seed certification program. So this is the objective and concept of seed certification at international level. I'll be coming in next video with next topic of seed certification. Thanking you very much.